Applying eyeliner is probably the hardest part of any makeup session, and they define your eyes like no other eye makeup item ever can. It's often quite a hassle to perfect that winged liner look, and what makes it more difficult is a bad formula. Liquid eyeliners have remained a fan favorite for a long time now. But before buying one for yourself, you need to ensure that the product comes with a suitable formula and stays on for a long time without getting smudged. Only then you can remain worry-free and step outside with eyes that are bold and gorgeous. All that being said, now it's time to take a look at the 5 best liquid eyeliners which we have handpicked for you. Let's check them out!
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you think that an eyeliner which will last for up to 24 hours is impossible to find, then the Maybelline New York Eye Studio Hyper Easy Liquid Eyeliner is here to your rescue. The eyeliner comes with a hyper easy brush tip, and it provides intense color without getting smudged. The flex tip helps to prevent skipping, while the hexagonal grip of this product gives you the control for an easy application. This eyeliner glides on smoothly while fitting your eye shape, and it gives intense black color which lasts for up to 24 hours. The Maybelline New York Eye Studio Hyper Easy Liquid Eyeliner is favored by users as it is well pigmented and doesn't smudge while being easy to apply, but some of the users complain that the product isn't waterproof. How to use. Draw with this liquid liner along the upper lash line. Let the liquid liner dry for 20 seconds. It's time to check out the ratings now. When it comes to value and price, we gladly give this product 5 stars. But in case of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Our next pick for today is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner, which is an immensely popular product among users for its efficiency. This liquid eyeliner features a felt brush tip which is slender and supple, giving you seamless and precise lines on the go. It gives you a controlled and defined finish with its intensely pigmented formula, and you can also adjust the thickness according to your desire. This vegan eyeliner will provide you with super sharp wings for achieving natural or bold look anytime you want. The product has earned thousands of positive feedbacks from its users, as it is waterproof, stays long, and remains smudge-proof perfectly. But besides all that, a few users were disappointed with the product. How to use. For a super epic winged out eyeliner look, start with the wings and then connect the lines as you move toward the inner corners of your eyes. Push on the felt tip slightly harder to achieve thicker lines. Moving on to the ratings, we really admired the overall quality and affordability of this product, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars in total. Take control over that wing and draw it to perfection with the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. It's a liquid eyeliner that comes with an innovative brush tip which is ultra fine and flexible in nature. The black pigmentation of this eyeliner provides you with a gorgeous look that stays long, and the waterproof formula keeps your style intact with a semi-matte finishing. On top of that, the formula of this liquid eyeliner is cruelty and paraben-free as well. The Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen is highly admired by users as it works well and stays on without getting faded or smudged. But as it goes, few users were not satisfied with their purchase. How to use. Start by drawing the tail end, align with the lower lash line and extend outwards and upwards. Draw a straight line extending from the center of the top lash line and draw out until it meets the tail line. Continue from the center of the upper lash line to the inner corner of the eye. Fill in the entire area between the top and the tail line to complete the look. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We absolutely loved the eyeliner and accepted it for its great formula, giving it 5 stars on those points. But as it is pricey, it'll get 4 stars on that. The Sephora Collection Long-Lasting 12-Hour Wear Eyeliner is our next recommended liquid eyeliner for you. This product comes with a super fine tipped applicator. It's an ultra-fine bristle brush which provides you with a professional application experience. The eyeliner is highly pigmented and has a rich black color which lets you create bold and dramatic eyes on your own. Additionally, the product is not tested on animals, and it gives you long-wearing results. Users are in love with this liquid eyeliner as it is great for drawing precise lines and doesn't become flaky or smear easily. But then again, some of them didn't have a great experience with this product. How to use. Lower the eyelid for easy application by tilting your head back and peering down while looking into a mirror. Draw a line starting from the inner corner of the upper eyelid, working towards the outer corner and thickening the line as you go. Time to check out the ratings now. We highly appreciated the product for its quality, value, and affordability, giving it a total 5 out of 5 stars. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner is our top pick for today's video, as it has earned quite the popularity among users for its overall performance. This liquid eyeliner comes with a fine marker-like tip which enables you to apply the product precisely. It provides you with defined eyes without smudging or pulling, and the formula is waterproof for your convenience. You can draw both thin and thick lines with this eyeliner, and it easily glides on and dries quickly while lasting all day long. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner is a fan favorite on Amazon, and users love this product as it is easy to apply and stays for a long time. But some users complain that the eyeliner dries up fast. How to use. Using the applicator on its side, apply short strokes right onto the lash line. Go back in with the point to fill in any detail spots or edges. If creating a cat eye, use the point to sketch out your wing first. Store horizontally for best performance. Let's rate this product now. We were overwhelmed by the formula and value of this liquid eyeliner, giving it 5 stars on those. But it is a bit pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. So that was all about the 5 best liquid eyeliners. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.